I want to talk about creating a Google account. I've many times have preached the sermon about how important it is to have a Google account and so forth. But today, I'm going to talk more about how you do it, okay? The documents that I have attached to this episode has got all the nuts and bolts you need to put that account together and get access to all the Google services that come therein, like Gmail and Google Drive, etc. Even YouTube, that's the YouTube is owned by Google now, and that's another reason that your business needs to have a Google account. You don't want to have that single point of failure, like only have one email, etc. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.